is how they have decorated this entire Bhunga.
This temple, then from here to there, then here, and this was a steep climb. I told her to carry a bag with water bottles and everything. She said, "No, we don't want. Why? We'll buy water bottle there. This no."
I said we'll buy water bottle.
Did we buy?
Why didn't we buy?
You didn't buy.
Hi guys, it's a room tour time and today we are staying in one of the beautiful Airbnb I have ever stayed, that is a Bhunga hut in Bhuj. So if you guys are wondering what is Bhunga hut, Bhunga is nothing but it's a cone shaped house, and basically near Gujarat and Rajasthan it is very famous. They built this small hut near the deserts. During Rann of Kutch festival, you'll find so many huts like this, and it will be pretty expensive, somewhere around 5 to 15,000. But we found this Airbnb for around 2,500 in Bhuj. To start with, we have this amazing looking round shaped bed, and this bed is so huge. Easily 3 people can roll around in this bed. For seating, they have provided us with 2 bean bags, which is really comfortable, and then there are 4 chairs. You can see these are antique chairs with nice cushioning. So I like these chairs. So the next main attraction of this Airbnb is how they have decorated this entire Bhunga. Like, they have aesthetically decorated it with so many cute lamps and hanging lights and this lantern. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I'm just in love with this Airbnb. Washroom. It's so huge, so huge. As you all can see, the washroom is pretty big and it is equipped with all the amenities like shower, wash basin, mirror, and my favorite lantern also.
So we just returned our bike, and there was so much fuel in it, and we could not go to other
Places.
South Bhuj.
South Kutch.
Yeah, south of Kutch, we could not go. So around maybe 600-700 rupees ka fuel was went waste. Yeah.
Now we'll be roaming local Bhuj. So we have to search an auto for this. It's 1 kilometer
This
from.
is a hectic task, searching an auto in Bhuj, and it's so hot.
Yeah, so let's search.
We are in front of Parag Palace. This palace also has one more palace called Aina Palace. So Aina means mirror in Hindi, which means palace of mirrors. And we have come here to check out what is it, how it looks.
So we just came out from Prag Mall and Aina Mall. The videography inside the Mahal was prohibited, so we couldn't take any videos, but we have definitely clicked some nice pictures inside. So basically inside this palace you'll find nice pictures, ancient pictures and some ancient artifacts and some history about Bhuj, everything. So you can keep 1 to 2 hours for this palace, and it is an optional place which you have to visit in Bhuj, because there are some other exciting places. Though since we didn't have time, we came here. So if you're in Bhuj and you have nothing to do, definitely you can come here, visit this palace. So there is entry ticket for this palace. The first palace, that is Prag Mall, costed us around 40 rupees per person, and for camera we had to pay 50 rupees, whereas Aina Mall costed us around 20 rupees per person, again 50 rupees for camera.
So it's around 4:30 p.m. and this is our second and final location in Bhuj, and this is quite a beautiful one. They say that you get very nice sunset from here, sunset view from here, and it's a hill or it's a fort.
How to go?
I don't know how to go. I think this is the way to go. And this is around 3 kilometers from the Bhuj city. Rickshaw will charge you anywhere between 50 to 80 rupees. Getting here is little difficult because you may not get rickshaw back. So stay tuned. We'll see if if we get a rickshaw back to our Airbnb.
The first thing when you come here, carry water bottle. We didn't carry.
Great. I told her to carry a bag with water bottles, everything. She said, no, we don't want. Why? We'll buy water bottle there. This. No.
I said we'll buy water bottle.
Did we buy?
Why didn't we buy?
You didn't buy.
So I can see the palace from where we just came. It's a huge tower, and from here also I'm getting the city view. Climb is very steep, but the view from here is really good. And Tejas is so scared right now because he has fear of heights.
There is no wall beside me, so I can see it's steep down. So it's a little scary. So we were there on the temple, and we started our journey there, and we came to this temple, then from here to there, then here, and this was a steep climb. Then we went around, and now we are here. Where is Aish?
So we finally reached top of this Bhuj fort, and the view from here is really good. Like, it's spectacular view. You'll get the view of entire city, and so the total time for trek is 30 minutes, and the best time to visit this place is early in the morning for sunrise or late in the evening for sunset.
So about this trip, the entire Gujarat journey is going to end in sometimes, yeah, I mean in the vlog probably, because we are going to take a train back to Ahmedabad. From Ahmedabad we are going to take a flight. And about the expenses, this entire trip expenses, we have been given information on how we spent and on what we spent. Probably we have spent around 12,000 entirely. So if you guys want to know how we spent and on what we spent, please let us know in the comment section. We will make a separate video for it, just to summarize on what we spent, on where we spent, and how you can save money. So if you want to know that video, go to the comment section right now.
So that's it from our 7-state Gujarat, guys. We did get the rig back to our Airbnb, and we bought some sweets and savories for our friends and family. So if you have liked this video, then share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next state very soon. Bye bye.